Consensus in education right now seems to be that AI will replace the teacher. We're making the opposite bet. We believe humans are about to become more valuable, more creative, and more essential than ever. Because real learning doesn't just come from automation. It comes from experience, from guidance, and from people. For more than a decade, LifterLMS has helped creators, educators, and organizations build real learning platforms with WordPress. Through every shift in technology, every trend, every hype cycle, our focus has stayed the same: help course creators lift up others through education. And today, we're taking that further. Introducing LifterLMS 10.0, a major new chapter in how you create, launch, and scale your education business. With Focus Mode, a new way to create distraction-free learning experiences that keep students engaged and on track. With cart abandonment recovery, so you can automatically recover lost revenue. With events, offering support for live training, workshops, and coaching directly inside your platform. And a faster, more streamlined course building experience, including improvements to the course builder that help you move faster with less friction. Plus powerful updates across the platform to make everything more flexible, more reliable, and ready for what's next. Because this release isn't just about new features, it's about raising the standard for what an LMS should be, not replacing educators, but amplifying them, giving creators, coaches, and organizations the tools to do their best work and reach more people than ever before. Because in an AI world, human expertise becomes the product. LifterLMS 10.0 is now available at lifterlms.com.